Chapter is ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1B. Today explained part 13. Last part completed important formulas of the derivatives by the trigonometry functions and inverse trigonometry and hyperbolic completed. Today class explained exercise 6B, 2 marks problems, important problems. What is the first problem? Cot power nx dx. Cot power nx dx. First of all, any problem we have to write put y is equal to cot power nx. After that, derivative on both sides. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. With respect to x, you get what? d by dx of y equal to d by dx of cot power nx dx. Here d by dx of y equal to d by dx of cot power n. Here you know that u power n formula. What is the formula of u power n? d by dx of u power n formula is already explained. N into u power n minus 1 into d by dx of u. This is a formula. You can write this formula. You get what? Here d by dx is equal to d by dx is equal to u. U nothing but cot x. Cot x u power n value is n. N into u nothing but cot x all power n minus 1 into d by dx of u nothing but cot x. You know that n into cot x power n minus 1 into, you know that cot x is derivative. What is the derivative of cot x? Cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x, already explained the previous part. After that, minus into plus minus n into cot x all power n minus 1 into cosecant square x. This is the derivative of cot power nx dx. Cot power nx derivative is what? Minus n into cot x all power n minus 1 into cosecant square x. After that, next problem. This one is the second problem. What is that problem? 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. You know that trigonometry formulas. First of all, we have to take this one is y. You know that 1 minus cos 2x. What is the formula of 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is what? 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x formula, you know that 1 plus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x. These formulas are explained trigonometry up to transformation chapter. Read that formulas, you get easily understood in this exercise. Y equal to 1 minus nothing but, you get that 1 minus cos 2x nothing but 2 sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x nothing but 2 cos square x. 2 to get cancelled. Sin square x by cos square x nothing but, you can write y equal to tan square x. Y equal to what? Tan square x. After that, derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get d by dx of y equal to d by dx of tan square x. D by dx of y equal to d. Here dy by dx equal to, you can use u power n formula once again. What is that formula? U power n, n into u power n minus 1 into d by dx of u. Here n value is 2, u value is tan x. You can write n value 2 into tan x all power n minus 1 nothing but 2 minus 1 into derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x. After that, 2 into tan x all power 2 minus 1 nothing but tan x. Tan x derivative, what? Tan x derivative is secant square x. Tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. Then the derivative of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x derivative is 2 tan x into secant square x. This is the derivative of given function. Next problem is, what is the next problem? Third one, x into tan inverse x. What is the next problem? X into tan inverse x. First of all, we have to take this one is, we have to put y is equal to x into tan inverse x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get d by dx of y equal to d by dx of x into tan inverse x. D by dx of y equal to d by dx of x into tan inverse x. This is u, this is v. You can write derivative of uv formula. What is that formula? Here first you can write dy by dx is equal to uv formula. What? U into x into derivative of tan inverse x plus v into d nothing but tan inverse x into derivative of x. You can write x into, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? We know the derivative of tan inverse x last class. That is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into plus tan inverse x into derivative of x value is 1. You get x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. This is the derivative of x into tan inverse x. X into tan inverse x derivative is what? X by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. After that, you go to next one. This is y. Put y is equal to sin inverse of cos x. Put y is equal to sin inverse of cos x. Here, once again, derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You can write d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin inverse of cos x. Sin inverse of cos x. After that, this can you can ask d by dx. You know that sin inverse x. Suppose you have to take this one is x. Sin inverse x derivative is what? You know that sin inverse x derivative 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. In place of x is what? In place of x is here, cos x is there. You can write cos x whole square into d by dx of cos x. Understood or not? Already explained last class chain rule. What is that rule? You can write in place of x any function. You can write that function. After that derivative that function. This is the key point of the differentiation. You can write 1 by square root of 1 minus cos x whole square nothing but cos square x into derivative of cos x nothing but minus sin x. Derivative of cos x value how much? Minus sin x. Derivative of sin x value 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. In place of x you can write cos x. After that derivative cos x. After that 1 by square root of 1 minus cos square x. Square root of 1 minus cos square x by the first element of the trigonometry. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Understood? Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Then sin x is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square x. You can write square root of 1 minus cos square x value is sin x into minus sin x. Here sin x get cancelled. 1 into minus 1 you get minus 1. This is the derivative of sin inverse of cos x. Sin inverse of cos x derivative is what? Minus 1. Today assignment or homework problems is first problem log of tan 5x. First of all, this can be you can write y. Log this total you can write is log x derivative. Log x derivative what? dy by dx equal to log x derivative 1 by x. X value is what here? Tan 5x. Once again derivative tan 5x. What is the derivative of tan 5x? Tan 5x derivative. What is the derivative of tan x? Tan x derivative is secant square 5x into once again derivative 5x. After that 5x derivative 5 get common, x derivative is 1. See, here you can use chain rule. First log x derivative 1 by x. After that you can write in place of x that function derivative. After that you can write here tan x is not there, tan 5x is there. That's why you can write 5x. After that you can write 5x derivative 5 into secant square 5x by tan 5x. After that you can simplify this one. Secant nothing but 1 by cos, tan nothing but sin by cos. By using trigonometric formulas you get simplified. This is the first problem. Hint. Next problem. Next problem you have to take this one is by tan inverse x. This total you can write x. Tan inverse x derivative is what? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the value of x? X value is log x whole square into derivative of log x. What is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is direct formula is then 1 by x. 1 by 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x. This is the second problem in and answer. Next, third one. This is the third one. First, you have to take y equal to tan of e power x. Tan x. This total you have to assume that x. Tan x derivative is what? dy by dx equal to tan x derivative is secant square x. X nothing but e power x. 1 second derivative e power x. E power x derivative is very easy formula, that is e power x. That is the answer. That is the hint of the third problem. Understood or not, students? After that, next problem we have to take y is equal to e power sin inverse x. After that derivative dy by dx equal to e power. Suppose assume that the sin inverse x value is x. E power x derivative e power x. E power x value is what here? Sin inverse x. Once again derivative sin inverse x. This part you can observe that, student, this is a key point of the differentiation. What is the key point? In place of x, any function, that function you can write similar. After that derivative, that function, understood or not? This point you can use total differentiation, easily solving all problems. Understood or not? Sin inverse x derivative is what? Sin inverse x derivative is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is the derivative of sin inverse x. This 4 homework problem hint and some shortcuts are explained. Using that hint and shortcuts, total problem solved neatly, clearly, previous problem model.